fhíseán. I don't think it's gonna be Valentine's Day when I upload this, but that's what this video is about. Well, loosely. How to say I love you and some
terms of endearment
in Irish and a little bit of a Valentine's Day theme going on. Dús an chéad rud lá Fhéile Vailintín faoi mhaise duit. Lá Fhéile Vailintín faoi mhaise duit. Or you could just say lá Fhéile Vailintín sona. So you could wish somebody a happy Valentine's Day by saying lá Fhéile Vailintín faoi mhaise duit or lá Fhéile Vailintín sona. Ever a dá, number 2, go dé mar a deirtear I love you. As Gaeilge, dearmuid is fuail hu. Is fuail hu. Agus cílíonn sé sin I hate you. In Irish, it's a little different. You know how things tend to be, you know, people say with Irish, it's all backwards, like structuring that. Well, with I love you, it's the same situation. I'm just kidding. Don't say that if you actually love somebody. We do have a way to say I love you. We have a few ways and they're very nice. Gra má chrí hu. Gra má chrí hu. And that means literally love my heart, you. The love of my heart is you.
I love you.
Gra má chrí hu. That one's my favorite. I just think it sounds so nice. Gra má chrí hu.
Gra má chrí hu.
That's one way. Tá gra agam duit. Tá gra agam duit. I have love for you. Or very literally, is love at me. Love is at me for you. That's how we say have in Irish. If you're curious about that, go check out my video about the preposition egg in Irish. Or you can also say tá gra agam ort. Tá gra agam ort. I have love on you. Love is at me on you. So those are kind of the main ways to say I love you. There's also how you can say you're in love with somebody. Not the same thing. Loving and being in love. Am I right? Ever a tree? I'm in love with someone. Tá mé in rá leat. Tá mé in rá leat. Which translates as I'm in love with you. I could be in love with you. Be in love with you.
I could be in love with you.
Ever a chathair, the love of your life. This is pretty similar to what we've seen with gra má chrí hu. Basically, you don't say love of your life, you say love of your heart. It would just be gra má chrí, like love of my life. Ever a cúig, to fall in love. Titch in rá. Titch in rá. Níl mé chinse matá sibh abalta an archan a chlinstin. Ach, tá sé chur farthain inis, tá brónarm ma chlinan sibh sin. Hit shade in rá le chéile. Hit shade in rá le chéile. They fell in love with each other. Aww. Ever a seach, terms of endearment. I love some of these. I think they're so much more special in Irish. Well, everything's better in Irish. Tá achan rud níos fearr as Gaeilge. I'll be showing you these using the vocative case. If you don't know what the vocative case is, basically it's when you address somebody in Irish, when you address them by their name, whether you're saying hello Seamus or how are you Kira. We put a before the name, a. I'm not going to go into a full explanation in this video, but if that's something you'd like a video on, vocative case, I could do something about it. Erin chéad dul síos, first of all, store. A store, with the vocative, a store. Store means treasure. It's like saying darling or honey. Honey, no, it's not a good one. Thank you, dear. Thank you, darling, or oh my god, I cannot say them in English. It makes me cringe. Gora mai agit, a store. Gora mai agit, a store. Thanks, treasure. A hashka. A hashka. Tashka is another word for treasure. Tashka. Here it has shevu because of the vocative case. Waitla cupante a hashka. Waitla cupante a hashka. Cree, which literally means heart. Cree. A chree. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor a chraí. Rún, rún, which means secret. An bhfuil tú ceart go leor a rún. Agus an chun dearnach, the last one, ábhairnín, ábhairnín. Mar hampla, an diglaad codúlam ábhairnín. Can you help me? An diglaad codúlam ábhairnín. Cúpla málu as Gaeilge fásta. SPÉIRBHEAN, SPÉIRBHEAN. And literally that means sky woman. I love that translation, sky woman. A great woman. Is SPÉIRBHEAN who? Is SPÉIRBHEAN who? STAIC, STAIC, which is just like the male version. Ever ní, ways to say you look beautiful. There is a beautiful appearance on you. Tá CUMA GHALÁNTA ort. Tá CUMA GHALÁNTA ort. CUMA, appearance, is feminine, so then the adjective after should have sibh, if it takes sibh. Tá tú go HÁLAINN. Tá tú go HÁLAINN. You're beautiful. Agus tá tú go HÁLAINN. Dalan scéal. Tosa, ag arcar an níos an seo. Gláitse, gláitse. Cute. So for example, tá CUMA gláitse ort. Tá CUMA gláitse ort. You look cute. Ever a deich, number 10, I thought about doing a few little things we associate traditionally with Valentine's Day. Blachana, blachana, flowers. Mar hampla, fuair mé blachana, fuair mé blachana. I got flowers. Buska shakláidí, buska shakláidí. Yeah, I mean, not really much more to say. Tá an síl cosúil le buska shakláidí. Ní bhíonn is a go riamh go dé dheoidh tú. Mar a dúirt Forrest Gump. Sa bhealach sin as Gaeilge leis an bhláis sin.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Agus anis, na focail atá de fíor dhí áireann lá Fhéile Vailintín. Leabhar, leabhar, cheesy, corny. Bhí sé sin iontach leabhar. That was really cheesy. Tá mé lum hain. Tá mé lum hain.
I'm with myself or all by myself.
Lum hain. A méanaar. Ag fánacht. Go thuaignech. Sin, that's it, that's that. All my phrases, words I thought of for Valentine's Day, saying you love someone, terms of endearment. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, something a little different. I feel like I'm always saying that, something a little different, a little bit of a different video today. This definitely was different, and it did get a little emotional and personal, and I don't regret it. Arianos tá súlagam gur bhain sibh sult as an ísean seo, má bhain tú sult as, tóir a thumbs up tú le do hull tá sé de dhí, agus subscribe, turn on your notifications. A fatraní gur a míle agam as ru daciacht, tá mé fíorbhuacha asmh. Tá an nasc dom a Patreon is a chur sias. Lá Fhéile Vailintín faoi bhaise díobh, agus tíofaí mé go luas sibh. Slán a chairde. Ever a seacht, ever a hacht, ever a seacht. What could I add to that? Whether you're saying hello, all by myself, tá mé lum hain, lum hain. Ní heaglam ceol. Tá mé faoir bhíchas.